broken shock put an early end to our Tar Hollow ride. We've got new products from Thumper Fab, AJK, Electric Offroad, and Highlifter, plus Polaris is celebrating America's 250th anniversary with a custom Ranger. That's all coming up right now in episode 13.
Fast Ride! Fast Friday Off-Road Report!
What's going on, everyone? JT from Team FAS Motorsports. Welcome to the Fast Friday Off-Road Report, where every Friday we break down the biggest news in the off-road industry, including products, upcoming events, and anything else going on. If you want your product or event featured in next week's Fast Friday Off-Road Report, drop us a comment below or email us at teamfas@hotmail.com. Now let's jump into this week's episode. Last weekend, Team FAS Motorsports attended the Tar Hollow ride in Hancock, New York. We had an awesome time, had a little bit of a mishap, but we did arrive Friday evening, camped overnight, got up, and throughout the event, we had a bunch of riders, customers, event staff stopping by the campsite to say hello. We had our Team FAS tent there, so it made it nice and easy for everyone to find us. It was great putting a lot of the faces to names and talking off-road with so many awesome people. We hit the trail Saturday around 9 a.m., spent the day exploring the trail system, including some time at the mud pits and the other, stops along the way. Unfortunately, our Ranger broke a shock, which was super rare. It actually snapped the eyelet off the top of the shock. So we had to do some sort of trail side repairing, I guess you could call it. We took, put the machine up with a winch, and we were able to take the coil and put it over the lift kit bracket and use some straps and stuff like that to get into place. We were able to limp it out of the woods, but in the process of the shock breaking, the coil took out the fan for the rad, so we were overheating, so we had to just kind of limp it a little bit at a time, wait for it to cool down, and get back to camp, unfortunately. But we are excited to announce that we were asked by the staff at Tar Hollow to have a vendor booth up there in the fall. So we will have a vendor booth at the Tar Hollow Fall Ride. So we look forward to seeing everybody up there for that one, and hopefully we'll have better luck. But either way, it was a fantastic event. We'd like to thank everyone that stopped by and chatted with us through the weekend, and the staff and everybody else, and all of our friends that we were riding with that helped us, get our machine out of the woods. So we will see you up there in the fall with a vendor booth. Now let's hop into some new products. Thumper Fab has released a new line of heavy-duty grab handles for a variety of the popular UTVs. Available for both front and rear configurations depending on the machine, these grab handles are designed to provide a solid handhold while entering, exit, or tackling rough terrain. Constructed from heavy-duty steel with billet aluminum accents, they're available for most of the popular Polaris, Can-Am, Kawasaki, Honda, Yamaha, and CF Moto models. If you're looking for a simple upgrade that adds both functionality and style, these grab handles from Thumper Fab are worth checking out. AJK has released several new accent pieces for the Kawasaki Ridge, giving owners an easy way to customize their ride. The new lineup includes a front grille accent, door hinge accents, tailgate accents, and they're all specifically designed for the Kawasaki Ridge. They're available in multiple color options, and these accessories allow riders to create a coordinated look from front to rear and have everything matching, which is pretty sweet. So these simple bolt-on upgrades don't require any major modifications, and installing them is quick and easy, and it's a great way to personalize your Ridge. Electric Offroad has been busy releasing several new products for both the Kawasaki Teryx H2 and Polaris Expedition platforms. Leading the lineup is the new Baja box for the 2026 Kawasaki H2, designed to add secure and functional storage while maintaining a clean factory-style appearance. For the Expedition owners, Electric has also released a new Volt short rack and Volt grill, giving owners additional utility and styling options. Whether you're looking to add storage, cargo capacity, or a more aggressive look, Electric Offroad continues expanding its lineup with innovative products for today's most popular UTVs. Highlifter continues to expand its popular portal gear lift lineup with new applications for both the Can-Am HD11 and Can-Am Outlander Gen 3. Available in multiple gear configuration options, these portal gear lifts increase ground clearance while helping riders run larger tires and tackle tough terrain. Whether you're riding mud, rocks, or technical trails, portal gear lifts remain one of the most capable upgrades available for our off-road machines. Next up is industry news. Cardo Systems and Tread Lightly have announced a new partnership aimed at promoting responsible off-road recreation, trail stewardship, and rider education. The partnership will focus on helping educate riders while supporting efforts to protect trail systems and public lands for future generations. This is the kind of industry news I like seeing. As riders, we all want more places to ride and fewer closures. Partnerships like this help support the organizations working to keep our trails open. Evo has announced the acquisition of TAPP Clutch, expanding its presence in the CVD performance and drivetrain market. TAPP has built a strong reputation among UTV enthusiasts for clutching and drivetrain performance products, and the acquisition is expected to strengthen Evo's product lineup moving forward. It'll be interesting to see what new products and innovations come from combining the expertise of both of these companies. Polaris recently unveiled a custom-built Ranger in celebration of America's upcoming 250th anniversary. The special build honors the America 250 initiative and showcases Polaris's American manufacturing roots while highlighting the connection between outdoor recreation and our nation's public lands. With Independence Day right around the corner, it's a pretty cool project and a great reminder of how closely power sports and outdoor recreation are tied to the American lifestyle. Let's go over some upcoming events. First up, Spring Jamz 2026 takes place June 18th through the 21st at Lake of the Ozarks Offroad in Missouri. The event features over $15,000 in payouts, hill climbs, side-by-side knockout competitions, rock bouncer action, vendors, food trucks, and activities for the entire family. On June 20th, 740 Offroad has their second annual side-by-side poker run, which is taking place in Lafayette, Ohio. The event includes a hog roast, 50-50 drawing, door prizes, live music, with proceeds benefiting the Coshocton County 740 Offroad Toy Drive. On June 27th, riders can head to Berlin, New Hampshire for the Offroad Riddle Run scavenger hunt. Registrations open at 9 a.m. with the hunt beginning at 11. This unique event combines trail riding with a scavenger hunt format for something a little different than your typical group ride. Also taking place on June 27th and 28th is round 2 of the Mayhem at the Mountain UTV Series in Washington. Presented by Core Power Sports, the event features competitive UTV racing and championship points battles as riders continue their pursuit of the series title. Finally, July 11th, the Coldstream Cruisers will be hosting Cruising the World Food Tour in West Enfield, Maine. Participants will travel the trails while stopping at multiple locations featuring foods inspired by different countries around the world. The event serves as a fundraiser for the club and helps support future community activities. Now we'll take a look at current sales and promotions. This week's featured deal is the JBL RallyBar XL. The RallyBar XL is one of the most popular all-in-one audio systems available for UTV owners looking to upgrade their sound system. Featuring premium JBL sound quality, Bluetooth connectivity, built-in amp, and weather-resistant design, it's built specifically for off-road use. Through Team FAS Motorsports, the RallyBar XL is currently on sale for $879.95, down from its regular MSRP of $1,099.95. So that's a saving of about $220. This promotion is running through July 12th or while supplies last. Also, with Father's Day right around the corner, keep an eye on our Facebook page, website, and next week's Fast Friday Offer Report. We're expecting additional Father's Day promotions and special offers from several manufacturers, and we'll be covering those deals as soon as they become available. Viewer question and answer. This week's question is, what's one item every rider should carry on the trail that most people forget? We just had this happen. I had every tool possible. I didn't have a tow strap, which is super rare. We normally always do, but taking different machines and having things in different places, we didn't have the tow strap with us. So I think that's one basic recovery item that you should take. Most riders, they always worry, just like we did, about the tools, your spare belts, your tire repair kits, but the recovery strap can save the day when a machine breaks or gets stuck in a spot where it can't move under its own power. After our recent ride, like I said, in Tar Hollow, we ended up spending several hours making a trailside repair, and it was another reminder, we never know what can happen when you're miles away from camp. Quality recovery strap doesn't take up much room, works on almost all machines, and can be one of the most valuable pieces of gear that you can carry. Now we want to hear from you. What's one item you never leave home without when heading out on the trails? Leave us a comment below. And that's it for this week's Fast Friday Offer Report. If you want your product, event, or question featured in next week's report, drop it in the comments or email us at teamfas@hotmail.com. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss next week's episode. And if you want to support us here at the channel, check out our merch at fasmerch.shop or visit teamfasmotorsports.com for all your parts and accessories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next Friday.
Fast Friday Off-Road Report. Fast Friday Off-Road Report.